If you don't know how to access your files on iPhone 17e, then the answer is quite simple. You just have to find the Files app, which should be, of course, pre-installed on your iPhone. Ideally, you probably want to use the app library, at least for the first time, in order to immediately find it, because this list is, of course, alphabetical. If we go to Files, then over here we should be able to open some information about recent files. And we can also switch to browse category in here at the bottom of the screen, and you might want to go back all the way to the browse category over here to this full list of different tags, locations and favorites, and you should be able to manage your files by choosing first the location, for example. So if you have something on your iPhone, then of course you want to select on my iPhone, and then over here you should be able to find all your files. You can also go to iCloud Drive if you have something saved on the iCloud instead. And also one more thing is, of course, photos and videos. You will not be able to find them in the Files app, at least most likely you will not be able to find them. Instead, you want to use the Photos app, and over here you can find all your photos and videos that you have on your iPhone 17e. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.